Hello students, wherever you're watching, just a quick one on how to solve our algebra fractions or algebraic fractions. There's just a simple thing that I want to illustrate just here. The LCM, it will be 2x minus 5, then x plus what? Plus 4, like that. Now, like we said that this 4, it will still come the way it is, but it will go with this one. So we're going to have x plus what? 4, then the minus 5, it will go with the 2x minus what? 5, like that. Then from there, we start expanding. We are going to get the 4x there plus what? 16 minus what? 10x. Now, negative and negative, you are getting a positive. A negative and a positive, you are still getting a what? A negative. So negative 5. A negative 5 there, you are going to get what? 25. Then you have a situation like that. X plus what? Plus 4. Now, here is the emphasis of what I want to show you. That's the main reason why I have recorded this video, just to show something here. Yeah, there. Okay, yeah. So the emphasis is here. This is the right term to that one, and as well this is the right term to that one. When you are picking like terms here, please, the sign is maintained. If it was positive, it will still be positive. If it was negative, it will still be what? Negative. The sign only changes if there is this in your question. Only if there are these 5, that's when it can change to become positive or to become what? Negative. So here you still have 4x minus what? 10x plus what? 16 plus what? 25. Then over 2x minus 5, again x plus what? 4, like that. Then you are going to get your answer as negative 6x, because you are subtracting from a smaller number. You are going to get negative 6, then the plus 6 and 5, that is 1, okay, which is 11. Then this and this, that is 3, plus the remainder, it will be what? It will be 4. The LCM will still continue coming like that, x plus what? Plus 4, and this will become your answer. Just this, then you are done. Just this. The emphasis when you are picking like terms here, the sign does not change, it still remains the same. I think it's clear now. So that is your answer down there. That's your answer. Yes. Just that.